What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a pet fee to your property on Vrbo.com, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So as you can see, there is a pets welcome option on Vrbo. So basically you can have a pet fee on the basically pet friendly options on Vrbo, and you don't have to if you don't want to, but some people actually want to receive more money if the people are bringing their pets. So how to do it? So what you need to do is go through the fees options. So there are a lot of varieties, and one of them is a pet fee. So they are standard and custom fees. So this is basically a custom one. So to add it or to add or edit it, basically go to your account and select the listing from the drop down menu if you have more of them, or just select the listing, you have one. So select calendar option, and from there on go to the settings and select fees. Basically either under standard or custom fees you can find a pet fee option. Basically select that one, and from there on you can enter a custom fee details if needed, and you can set up to 3 custom fees. Once all the required info is entered, just easily press save. If you want to edit it, the process is the same. From the calendar, select settings and fees, and select the fee you want to edit, basically a pet fee you want to edit. So overall guys, that's the entirety of the process, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.